not sure if this thing is on or not, but this might be the first time any of you guys are hearing my voice. Now, usually I'm playing Battlelands. And stuff, but decided today I'll play a different game, and it's called Airsoft Battle Royale. Actually a pretty fun game, so it's, for many of you, it's probably the first time hearing my voice. Oh. They just come out of nowhere. I'm literally on the one shot. Alright, do I have a medkit? Yes, let's go. Alright, here we go. Oh, I've played this game off camera before. Oh. I legit got ambushed. That's the assault rifle. This is the SMG. I'm gonna compare the SMG to the assault rifle. I'll do a few games with it. So this is the SMG. Wait. No, I still have the assault rifle. Never mind. Whatever. Next game I'm gonna do it with the SMG. Next game. Oh. You gotta get out of here. I literally gotta get out of here. I'm pinned down. I'm literally pinned. So I got hit. Wait, I do have ammo. What am I doing? There you go. Yeah, boy. Okay, this is the hard challenge. See where I'm coming from down here. I got one. Got another one. Got a third one. Let's go. Are you kidding? Fun game, right? Fun game. Alright, so I said I was gonna do the SMG. Do it with the SMG. I'm gonna open this crate first. It's literally just XP. 400 of it. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, I did some of it. Yeah. Yeah, this is the SMG I was gonna show you. Alright, here we go. Where was the battery at? 16. Oh, come on. Yeah. Yoink. Oh. I need to heal first. You can literally heal in this game while you're running. You need to be full health. Oh, no, no. Somewhere. Here we go. He's low. He's low. Boom! Take that. I'm gonna heal. Damn it. Yeah, that's why I was talking about my battery. Oh, no, that's not good. How are they moving so fast? Dang! What is the SMG, right? Yeah. So yeah, the SMG has a better firing rate. But the assault rifle doesn't have as a good firing rate, but does way more damage. Let's go, that's 3 eliminations right there. I'm gonna back up into a corner. Oh, I'm out of ammo. How am I still alive? Do you have any medkits? I have one. Use that. Where's the ammo? I don't have any ammo. Oh! I'm doing it. Nope, that wasn't ammo. And there's still 5 players chasing after me. I'm gonna get some cover here. Whoa! There's not enough ammo for me, but I'll never give up. Follow the arrow. What do you mean, follow the arrow? Follow... You're in an abandoned castle. Let me just... Oh, they're getting close. What is it telling me I follow the arrow? Oh my gosh, those shots are getting close. That was fun. So I'm gonna try it with the SMG one more time, and then switch it over to the assault rifle. So the name of the game is called Airsoft Battle Royale. So go check it out. Oh, I have a medkit. And then, damn it. Well, the SMG has a way better firing rate. You guys can tell. And then you have the assault rifle. Hold up. Much, much better. It does way more damage than the SMG. And it can hold more ammo. And you have to get to 5 players. It's the part where it gets really hard. Destroyed. Well, I guess that's it for today. Yes, the name of the game is called Airsoft Battle Royale. If you go to, like, you could get it on App Store, iOS, Play Store. Just search it up, and you're gonna get the top result, Airsoft Battle Royale. Go download it. It's a really fun game. I've been playing a lot of Battlelands, so it's a good game. So go check it out. All right, and see ya. Bye.